Hey everyone, and welcome back to We Do Wellness. Ever feel like you're ready for a change? Like you're meant for something more? Maybe you're looking to achieve new goals, break old habits, or simply become the best version of yourself. Today, we're diving deep into the powerful concept of self-reinvention, and it all starts with one crucial element: your identity. Many people believe that changing their lives means changing their habits first. While habits are important, true transformation begins with shifting your identity, who you believe you are at your core. You can change habits to shift your identity, or you can shift your identity to change your habits. The latter is far more powerful. Think of it this way. If you identify as someone who's not a morning person, it's incredibly difficult to consistently wake up early. But if you shift your identity to be a morning person, the habit of waking up early becomes much easier to adopt. Shifting your identity requires letting go of the old stories you tell yourself, the limiting beliefs that hold you back, and the behaviors that no longer serve you. This can be challenging, but it's essential for creating space for the new you. Maybe you've always told yourself you're not creative, or not disciplined, or not worthy of success. These are just stories you've created. You have the power to rewrite them. Once you've started to let go of the old, you can begin to embody your desired identity. This means acting as if you already are the person you want to become. You don't have to make drastic changes overnight. Start small. If you want to be a more confident person, start by making eye contact and speaking up in conversations. If you want to be more creative, dedicate just 15 minutes each day to a creative pursuit. Each small step reinforces your new identity. Think of it as climbing a ladder. Each small action, each new habit is a rung on that ladder. As you climb higher, your new identity becomes stronger and more ingrained. Consistency is key here. It's not about achieving perfection overnight. It's about showing up for yourself consistently, even when it's challenging. Major life changes can often serve as catalysts for self-reinvention. When our external circumstances change, it creates an opportunity to redefine ourselves. But you don't need a major life event to reinvent yourself. You can choose to start today, right now, by making a conscious decision to shift your identity. Reinventing yourself is a journey, not a destination. It's about constantly evolving, growing, and becoming the best version of yourself. And it all starts with shifting your identity. What's one small step you can take today to embody your desired self? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to We Do Wellness for more tips on personal growth and well-being, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future uploads. Thanks for watching.